Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to know how many times your Instagram story was rewatched. To know that, it's very simple. You have just to go to Instagram, and after that, open the story that you want to know how many times it was rewatched. After that, click on activity on the bottom left of the screen. And as you can see on the top of the screen, there is the number of people who watched the story. And next to it, there is the number of people who rewatched your stories. So for example, for me, it's 29. And that's it. Of course, to know that, you should be subscribed to Instagram Plus. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.